Welcome to the second edition of The Leaders in China. I'm Yuli Ismartono from Asia Views in Beijing to interview Professor Huang Haoming. Professor Huang is Vice Chairman and Executive Director of the China Association for NGO Cooperation, better known as CANGO, which won the China's Best Citizen Award in 2001. The civil society movement in China is relatively new, but it is growing rapidly. And at the forefront of its activities is CANGO, led by Professor Huang. Professor Huang, thank you for taking time off from your busy schedule to be in the Leaders Program.
Yes, thank you so much for you inviting me to have this kind of dialogue.
I would like to begin by asking you, what is the China Association for Non-Governmental Organization Cooperation, or CANGO, and which groups are its members?
CANGO, our mission is to try to establish the Chinese NGO network to address poverty alleviation, environment protection, and social development. Particularly, we try to work together with grassroots NGO, for example, capacity building, also give them opportunity to work both domestic and overseas. The most our member is we call the rural development and the community-based organization. Also, second big group is environment protection and capacity building NGOs. Also, like the gender issues, also healthcare issues. So this is kind of up to now we have 102 organization members. So unfortunately, we never to establish the individual member, but in the future we will be expanding our individual membership.
How many NGOs are there in all of China, and what is usually the focus of their interest?
Normally, just say have three kind of NGO. For example, like the foundation. Foundation, we also including two kinds. One is public the foundation. Second is we call China's the public foundation. The figure is up to year 2007, December. China have the 340 foundation. This is the first kind. Secondly, we normally call the social organization. Social organization up to last year, the China have the 212,000 the social organization. Also, we call another very specific Chinese the name, so 民办非企业单位 means the private non-enterprises organization entity, something like the private the organization in the obviously like private school, private the healthcare center, also like community-based organization. This organization up to last year, China have 174,000. So totally, normally we say China have registered. They just mentioned registered in the Ministry of Civil Affairs systems. The totally is 387,000. This is normally for the registration. Also have many unregistration organization. Unfortunately, we never got some very specific figure. Normally, for the Chinese civil society organization, the focus on the poverty alleviation, environmental protection, also we call the legal aid for some try to get us right and interested. Also like disabled people help. Also like kids education in particularly in rural area. For we call the girl, the China, the traditional concept like the freedom systems, as well. They have 2400 years the history for freedom systems. Normally, people normally pay attention to boy. So this is why we always say the girl education, the helping program.
Quite a number of organizations working. But can you tell me, I understand that there are two kinds.
Yeah.
You mentioned a whole lot of them.
Right.
But one that is sponsored by the government and one that is independent. What is the difference? I mean, is there a difference in the scope of work?
In terms of the type of the civil society organization in China, as you know, China opened the world outside. This year is 30 years anniversary. So even like 20 years ago, China normally is less civil society organization. Particularly after the Deng Xiaoping have the new image to establish the marketing-oriented systems. So that is have many we call the grassroots NGOs. We call more independently. So this is we call independent organization. But also we say the government initiative organization. But no also transfer to getting more independently. So,
what about private companies? Do they donate to NGOs?
Up to now, I think the private company is getting more activity to join to donate fund for civil society organization. Particularly like this year, the Wenchuan, the Sichuan, the earthquake, they have more than million the enterprises to join the donation for the earthquake. Like Congo, we also receive like more than 10 million RMB yuan the fund from the enterprises. So I think this is really big progress. So.